I am Karina. I am a cosmetology instructor here at JD Academy. My passion, I would say, is hair. I love doing hair, I love being in the industry, but I also love how evolving it is. I love how one-on-one it is here. I wish I would have gotten that when I went to school, because my class was like 1 of 14 and that was considered small. So I've seen classes be huge, and it's seeing how small and intimate it is, it just makes it feel like you have more time to build relationships with everyone and really help guide them more. Really, like, you don't think you're going to be on the right journey ever, and that's just kind of how life goes, but there is something for you here. Whether it's nails, skin, hair, whatever it is, there's always something for someone. But also that, just take the leap. I would do it all over again if I had to, because it was the best decision I ever made, and I have a career now, so that's what makes it wonderful. My biggest highlight, I think it has to be seeing the students starting and then getting to graduate and seeing them get licenses. And I always say it's a little selfish because I always feel so good and like, oh, they really did that, and it's just a fun journey to see them go through. It's fun.